I can't thank everyone enough. Project after project, from Linlang to Sec Kim to What's Wrong with I to ano yung pelikula?
My love.
What? My Love Will Make You Disappear. At ito, I can thank everyone for your support, to everyone supporting us, not just here in the Philippines, globally, and also to our friends from the press. Maraming salamat. Walang humpay po yung tulong na ginagawa nyo. At kundi ho dahil sa inyo, hindi ho kami patuloy nabibigyan ng proyekto at bibigyan ng mga karakter at storya na maikukwento namin sa inyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope we can spread the word kung ano po ang laman ng The Alibi. At ayan nga po, mag-download na ng Prime Video app dahil doon lamang po ito mapapanood. Simula na po yun this November 7, 2 episodes every Friday po yan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters namin na nanonood ngayon online. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, thank you very much for all your effort, for all the love, for all the support. Nababasa po namin lahat yun, kaya maraming salamat. And sa mga bagong mga manonood and bagong susuporta sa amin ni Pao, panoorin niyo po itong The Alibi. It's not just me and Paolo. Ito pong lahat yun. Parang nagsama-sama po ang iba't ibang klaseng talento para magkaroon po ng masterpiece na The Alibi from Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much, everyone. We're very grateful and happy and excited na mapanood din.
Maraming salamat, of course, Kim and Pao. And of course, thank you din po sa ating friends from the media. Pasensya na po. Nawala na po tayo ng time para po tanungin ang lahat ng mga katanungan natin. Shoutout na lang po kina Carl June Canonoy from Kapatid Insider, Chris O. Ramos Jr. from One Music, Bianca Abrencillo from Interaction, si Davao Digital Creators, Joel Madrazo, and Lance Joseph Martinez from Metro.style. So once again, palakpakan po natin. Let's invite for a follow-up. Palakpakan po natin Robbie Jaworski, Angelina Cruz, Robin Sarmenta, Sofia Andres, Sam Milby, Miss Danica Domingo, Direx, Jojo Sagin, Direk, Onat Diaz, Rafael Rosel, Miss Jaja Padilla, Mr. John Arcilia, Kim Chu, and of course, Paolo Avellino.
Don't forget to post, share, and spread the word using the hashtag The Alibi on Prime. Huge thank you to ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, and Prime Video for making this world-class Filipino series possible. Now you can take the photos of our powerhouse cast. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, The Alibi.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Mula sa cast hanggang sa kwento, papanoorin ko talaga to, premiering this November 7 on Prime Video. Once again, download the app and you will witness episode each week.
And that concludes our advanced screening and our media-con of The Alibi Muli. Ako po si Vix.
And this has been Aya Fernandez.
And of course, this has been the Grand Media-Con of The Alibi. Ingat po, good evening.
Let's see you inside ha. Enjoy the streaming!
Hoy! Saan yan? Yan, copy. Ayun, kami nakakapis ka.
Si Jayco pala to. Si Jayco. Invite sa akin. Sa susunod invite mo sa akin.
Kanina ka pa? Ayun, gwapo mo. Ay, anak ni Jaworski. Tama ba? Bobby. Jaworski. Oo, anak ni Jaworski. Iba yung short po. Tama ba po anak ni Jaworski? Oo, tingnan mo. Yung asawa ni Mikey. Asawa ni Mikey. Masasi, kung nakapasok nito. At walang ganyan, ha?
Yo, please. Ayan, tingin lang. Ayan. We have seen the power producers of the Alibay. ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, and Prime Video. Kim, Pao, join your co-actors inside. Right side naman, Kim, Pao. Ayan. Yung mga solids mo. Pao, andyan din yung mga solids mo. Ayan, Kim International. Kim Pao Official. Kim Pao! Ano nga yun yung paggabi? Ha? Night shift! May night shift kayong pansin. Grabe, kising sila sa gabi. Sila yung nagpapatrend. Oh! Go na, Kim Pao, Alex, as I wrap this up, ang blue carpet. Again, you have seen the blue carpet of the Alibay and Prime here at Trinoma. Everyone who came here, thank you. Papasok na po ang buong cast.